I just want to thank you so much for stepping up
Yes.
and being a part of this, because
Yes.
even if we had this vision or this dream or this commitment, we could not have done this without you stepping up and being a part of this. And, you know, as we're talking about Bible prophecy, and, you know, the first thing that hits people across the world right now, I think, is fear and worry. And I want to tell you that in our lives, when we faced cancer, when we faced certain death, we decided not to worry, but to go to war.
Yes.
And to go to work.
Yes.
And that we would step up our game in changing the world and being a blessing. We needed miracles, so we became a conduit for miracles
That's
for
awesome.
others. We needed prayer. We needed answers. And so we decided to become prayers and answers for others. And so just very quickly, as you're hearing these things today and you're thinking, God, what does this have to do with me? What does it have to do with us? Is that we step up and are a part of what God is doing in these last days and around the world.